Hello, today we will study the classification of phylum Arthropoda. Phylum Arthropoda is the largest invertebrate phylum. Arthro means jointed and poda means legs. Animals of this phylum have jointed legs और appendages. इस संघ के प्राणियों में संधियुक्त उपांग पाए जाते हैं. Von Siebold establishes phylum Arthropoda. Animals of this phylum are cosmopolitan in distribution, found everywhere, means इस संघ के प्राणी वितरण में विश्वव्यापी होते हैं और विश्व के हर भाग में पाए जाते हैं. These are bilaterally symmetrical, triploblastic and coelomate. Presence of jointed appendages is the characteristic feature of this phylum. इस संघ के प्राणियों में संधियुक्त उपांग पाए जाते हैं जो कि एक इसकी विशिष्ट कैरेक्टरिस्टिक फीचर है. Organ system grade of body organization is present. Cephalization is distinct, means well distinct head is present in these animals. Body is divided into head, thorax and abdomen. In some, head and thorax fuse together to form cephalothorax. Body is covered with chitinous cuticle. Digestive system is complete. Coelom is hemocoel type and respiration takes place by means of gills, trachea, book, lungs, thorax, through general body surface. Excretion takes place by means of Malpighian tubules, antennary gland or green gland and coxal gland. Open type of blood vascular system is present. Nervous system consists of nerve ring, nerve cord, segmented nephridia and nerve. Ocelli, compound eyes, chemoreceptors and thigmoreceptors are present. Ocelli are simple eye in these organisms and it is photoreceptor. It is sensitive for light. Compound eyes form images. Chemoreceptors means receptors that are sensitive for chemicals and thigmoreceptors the receptors that are sensitive for touch. These are unisexual. Sexual dimorphism is present means लैंगिक द्विरूपता इनमें पाई जाती है. फर्टिलाइजेशन इंटरनल होता है. These are oviparous और ovoviviparous. Development is direct or indirect type. More than one type of larva form are present in their life cycle. Now, the classification of phylum Arthropoda. Storer and Usinger classified the phylum Arthropoda on the following basis. The bases are division of the body, on the basis of type of antenna, and on the basis of type of mouth parts. Phylum Arthropoda is classified into 6 subphylum: Trilobita, Chelicerata, Mandibulata, Pentastomida, Tardigrada and Onychophora. This classification is based on the classification given by Parker and Haswell. Now we come to the subphylum Trilobita. All the members are marine water form that become extinct. इस सबफाइलम में पाए जाने वाले एनिमल्स मैराइन वाटर में पाए जाते थे जो कि अब विलुप्त हो चुके हैं. फॉसिल्स आर फाउंड फ्रॉम द सी बॉटम एंड एब्डोमेन इज डिवाइडेड इनटू 2 to 29 segment. Example is Triarthus. Now the second subphylum is subphylum Chelicerata. These are mainly terrestrial. Body is divided into prosomia means cephalothorax and ophistosoma means abdomen. Simple eyes, one pair chelicerae, one pair pedipalp and 4 pair legs are present on prosoma. No appendages on abdomen. Respiration takes place by means of gills, trachea or book lung. Excretion by means of Malpighian tubule or coxal gland. This subphylum is further divided into 3 classes. Class 1 is Merostomata. These are marine water form. Respiration takes place by means of gill. Telson is present on the last segment of abdomen and the example is Limulus, that is also known as king crab and it is also known as living fossil means जीवित जीवाश्म के नाम से इसको जाना जाता है. Now the next class is Arachnida. These are mainly terrestrial. Antenna and jaws are absent. In these animals, respiration takes place by means of book lung or trachea. 4 pair of legs are present. These are oviparous or viviparous. Scorpion takes mites, spiders comes into this class. Now the class third is Pycnogonia. These are commonly known as sea spiders. Suctorial mouth is present on proboscis. On head, 3 pairs of appendages and 4 eyes are present. 8 pair of walking legs are present in these animals. Example is Pycnogonium and Nymphon. Now we come to the next subphylum, that is subphylum Mandibulata. Body is divisible into head, thorax and abdomen. In the animals of this phylum, 2 pair of antennae, 1 pair of mandible and 2 pair of maxillae are present on head. Respiration takes place by means of trachea, excretion by antennary gland or Malpighian tubule. Compound eyes are present. This subphylum is again divided into 6 classes. Now the class 1 is Crustacea. Members of this class are mostly aquatic, generally जलीय होते हैं. Body is divided into cephalothorax and abdomen. Carapace is made up of chitin. Chitin is made up of calcium carbonate. Biramous appendages are present. There are 12 to 19 pair of jointed appendages on thorax and abdomen. Biramous appendages means these appendages fork from the basal protopodite to form two branches. Inner is endopodite and outer epipodite. Appendages of abdomen are known as pleopods, adapted for swimming. Respiration takes place by means of gills. These are unisexual. Sexual dimorphism is present. Example is Pelimon and Eupagerus. In this figure, you can see the body is divided into cephalothorax and abdomen, and the appendages are biramous. Now we come to the next class, that is class Diplopoda. The members of this class are terrestrial. Body is divided into head, thorax and abdomen. On head is 5 segmented and 1 pair of antennae, 1 pair of mandible and maxilla are present on head. Thorax is made up of 4 segments, 1 pair of jointed appendages on each segment, and abdomen is made up of 9 to 100 segments and 2 pair of jointed appendages are present on each segment. Poisonous claws are present. Respiration takes place by means of trachea, excretion by Malpighian tubule. Example is millipede. Millipede is commonly known as thousand-legger. Now the class third, that is Chilopoda. These are terrestrial. Body is divided into head and trunk. 1 pair of antennae, 1 pair of mandible and 2 pair maxillae are present on head. Trunk is divided into 15 to 173 segments. 1 pair of jointed appendages is present on each segment. Example is centipede. Centipede are commonly known as 100-legger. You can see in this figure, millipede is 1000-legger and centipede is known as 100-legger. 1000-legger because from each segment 2 pair of appendages are present, while in centipede 1 pair of appendages arises from each segment. Now we come to the class Pauropoda. These are terrestrial. Body is divided into head and trunk. Trunk is made up of 11 to 12 segments and 9 to 10 pair of legs are present in these animals. Example is Pauropus. The class is Symphyla. These are terrestrial, 6 mm long, eyes absent, antenna present on head. Body means trunk is divided into 15 to 22 segments. 10 to pair of walking legs are present, and example is Scutigirella. Now the next class, that is class Insecta. It is the largest class of phylum Arthropoda, commonly called hexapod because 3 pair of walking legs are present. Body is divided into head, thorax and abdomen. 3 pair of legs and 2 pair of wings are present on thorax. There are 6 segments in head, 3 in thorax and 7 to 11 segments in abdomen. Compound eyes are present. Respiration by means of trachea, excretion by Malpighian tubule. These are uricotalic. Development is direct or indirect. Examples are mosquito, butterfly, cockroaches, etc. You can see in this figure the body of insect is divided into head, thorax and abdomen. 2 pair of wings are present and 3 pair of walking legs are present in insects. Now the subphylum Pentastomida. In this phylum, parasitic arthropods comes, while in subphylum Tardigrada the animals that are related to crustaceans and insects, and these are commonly called water bears. Now the last subphylum is Onychophora. This subphylum are terrestrial, thin and worm-like. Body is caterpillar-like but unsegmented. Respiration by means of trachea, excretion by nephridia, and stumpy legs are present that are 14 to 44 pair. Peripatus is a common example that is also known as connecting link between Annelida and Arthropoda. This figure shows the peripatus, that is a connecting link between Annelida and Arthropoda. Thanks.